Hello everyone. Today we're here to introduce to the world the all-new 2020 electric bicycle, VELLER by AmericanElectric. I'm going to get started from front to back and talk to you about the amazing components that this bike has. First off, 26-inch wheels, as you may see, front and rear disc brakes. It also comes with a quick release to easily remove the tire in case you have a flat. You can simply bring down the lever, take out the tire, quick 1, 2, 3, change your tire. Front removable basket by a little click of a button. The basket comes right out, carry at least 30 pounds of weight, has a special coating to prevent corrosion, and whenever you want to put it back on, just simply latch it in and you're all set. It has a front digital display that indicates you how much battery you have, the different modes. You can turn on and off the bike. You can also turn on and off the LED lights. Oh, I hit the throttle by mistake. You can turn on and off the LED lights just by a click of a button. You also have electrical brakes, which that means that whenever you press on the brake, automatically can shut off the motor, making the experience of braking much smoother, much nicer. Nice traditional belt on the left side of the bike. Also Shimano gears, 7 gears, very easy to change gear just by the little press of a button. Front suspension, making your ride obviously much smoother when you're hitting nice bumps. You won't feel them this time. The LED is pretty bright, so you'll be seeing from very far. We've seen customers add additional lights, so it fill the bicycle so you can get as creative as you want. We've seen people do it all. The handlebar is fully adjustable. You can bring it up and down depending on your height. The seat is also adjustable just by the twist of the lever. You can just bring the seat up and down. Also depending on your height. Step-thru design, very easy for men and women to get in and out. Always your feet on the ground as you're riding. That's pretty neat. Full pedal assist, and now this year we introduced full throttle. So you have the option to do the pedal assist to get some exercise going, or just simply hit the throttle and go. So for those of you who just like to sit back, let the bike take you, you can now do this with the 2020 VELLER. 36-volt lithium-ion battery, 10 amp hour, 40 miles on a single charge. Very easy to just take in and out. The battery, you can just simply unlock it, release the seat, and remove the battery, throw it back in, lock it, and you're all set. Put the seat back depending on your height, lock it, and you ride. Second and third mode, which is medium and high mode, allows you to do pedal assist. So you can change between pedal assist and throttle at any time. You don't have to press any additional buttons. Makes it very cool. 350 watt brushless motor in the back, very silent. We manufacture the motor and we provide 4 years of warranty on this motor. We're literally the #1 warranty in the entire nation. Nobody gives the warranty we do, so you can be sure that this motor is going to last for a very long time. Rear rack, fully adjustable. You can, has a latch. You can put up to 55 pounds or 25 kilos in the back rack. Rear light, which you can turn on and off. Doesn't drain the main battery because it has an additional battery. Front and rear fenders, making the bike look nice and beautiful and sexy. And that's the main components. Full aluminum frame, as I said, very light. The entire bike only weighs 45 pounds. So that already includes the battery actually. So with the battery and the frame and the motor, 45 pounds. So you can just simply pick it up and put it in the back of your car rack, and off you go on your adventure. Those are the main specs. We'll have more videos coming up, which we're gonna get more into the detail. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to message us, call us, send us an email, and follow us. We're gonna be all across social media. We're doing big things this year. We're very excited to share them with you. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. We're gonna be everywhere. So thanks for watching, and see you on our next video. Boom!
There we go.
Huh.
That's what I'm talking about.
Amazing.
Woo!